robot, the claw. I am 8 years old, and my static parts on this robot is the beams and the pegs. The dynamic parts are the gears and the motors. The electronic parts are the motors and the NXT. And the touch sensors. And this is what it does. Wait. It got stuck. Yeeks.
Oh my.
Dang it. I feel bad for you. Hey. Oh my God.
One more time.
You want to do it again?
It's hard to control.
I think it's a little bit far, right? Okay, did you grab it?
So weird. No, I don't want to do this. It's like it's going to crack again.
All right. Any questions? Yes, guy.
So how does it work?
So it's like it could grab it, and then when it grabs, it could go that way and that way, and then it drops the ball, but it can't throw it.
So what button makes it grab it?
That one. Dang it! It's so like every button is like because I mixed them up while I was.
Oh, so
Yeah.
like you never know what button is gonna be the one to grab.
And sometimes they just don't listen to my like. Sometimes they go like when I push.
And yeah, how much time did it take you to do?
Three classes.
And programming?
Yeah, just like one.
And okay, how much time did it take you to build?
3 classes.
So on the third class you finished building it and programming it? Okay.
All right. Any other questions, guys? All right. Give a round of applause to Peter.